The future of pickups has arrived, and it isn't from Toyota, Ford, or Nissan. It's this machine right here, the 2026 BYD Shark 6, tearing across the coastline like a futuristic beast hungry for the horizon. Just look at this face. The front fascia screams futuristic muscle, with razor-thin LED daytime running lights slicing across the top like glowing eyebrows, and a sculpted bumper carved with precision. The semi-closed upper grille makes it clear this is hybrid EV power with attitude. From the side, the Shark 6 looks like a premium SUV fused with an off-road warrior. Clean flowing lines, a strong shoulder, and a stance so confident that even the landscape seems to step aside. It looks powerful even when it's standing still. Massive off-road tires sit inside squared, muscular wheel arches, ready for city roads, sand dunes, or mountain trails. This truck doesn't hesitate. It dominates everything ahead of it. Move to the rear and the futuristic identity continues. A full-width LED light bar spans the entire tailgate, with bold Shark lettering deeply embedded. Modern, minimal, and instantly recognizable, day or night. Inside, the Shark 6 completely changes the game. Soft touch materials, metallic accents, and a sculpted dashboard create an interior that feels more like a luxury crossover than a midsize pickup. At the center sits BYD's iconic rotating touchscreen. It's fast, responsive, and loaded with features, navigation, apps, smart climate control, and a crystal-clear multi-camera view with night vision. With one touch you can switch between portrait and landscape. The digital instrument cluster behind the wheel is sharp, ultra-modern, and customizable. It displays speed, hybrid power flow, alerts, and all your driving information with clean precision. The seats are plush, comfortable, ventilated, and heated. Thanks to the stretched wheelbase, passengers get generous legroom and SUV-like comfort. Long trips suddenly feel easy. Storage is everywhere: deep door pockets, hidden trays, underseat spaces, and a huge center console. The Shark 6 mixes practicality with premium design. It's also loaded with safety technology, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous braking, and a 360-degree camera with transparent chassis mode for off-road driving. Now let's talk about what makes the Shark 6 a headline maker. Its DMO hybrid powertrain combines a high-output electric motor with a turbocharged engine, delivering instant torque and explosive acceleration. 0 to 100 in just 5.8 seconds. A midsize pickup accelerating like a compact sports car. This is BYD rewriting the rulebook. And the range is just as impressive. Up to 850 kilometers thanks to hybrid efficiency and BYD's Blade battery technology. Silent EV driving in the city, hybrid power on long journeys, and strength whenever you need it. In the end, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 isn't just another truck. It's a wake-up call to the entire industry. It delivers speed, range, technology, comfort, and futuristic design in one stunning package. If BYD prices it aggressively, the Shark 6 could become the pickup to beat worldwide.